Today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 258 different strategies, with 80 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 147 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,003 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says a leading indicator, a no-repaint scalping strategy. And so of course we're going to put this to the test, but viewers of my channel who have been around for a while know my thoughts on the whole repainting indicator thing. I did a whole video on it. You can just search my channel for it. It's just kind of a boogeyman that isn't really relevant anymore in today's technology. And so that's something you don't really have to worry about. But nonetheless, again, we're going to put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. Let's go ahead and turn these two indicators off. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Super Trend Explorer /Screener. This one right here. Click on that, add it to the screen, and then jump into the settings. You're going to change the ATR period to 14. The source, you're going to change that to close, and the ATR multiplier, you're going to change that to 4. Then jump into the style, and you're going to turn off everything in here except for the uptrend begins, buy, downtrend begins, sell, and you can leave the labels and values on if you wish. Click OK. And the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Mavelum W indicator. This one right here. Click that, add it to the screen. And this one you're just going to leave on the default settings. If you wish, you can go in and play with the colors of this, but I don't think it's really necessary, especially in this strategy here. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for a sell signal from the Super Trend Explorer indicator, like this right here. When we get that sell signal, we want price action to be trading below the Mavelum W lines. We don't care what color they are, we just want price action to be below them, indicating that we're in a downtrend. When those two line up like that, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right here within the middle of the Mavelum W lines, and then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so it takes just a little bit. We push down, run into consolidation, and then make the push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is the buy signal from the Super Trend Explorer, and then we want price to be trading above the Mavelum W lines right here. Again, we don't care what color they are, we just want price to be above them, indicating that we are in an uptrend. And once those line up, that's going to be our signal to enter into a long. We're going to set our trade there, put our stop right in the middle of the Mavelum W lines just like before, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. And again, a really decent move, push right up there, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades, putting it at a 44% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $11,200 for a total gain of $2,000 altogether. So not a horrible strategy. I think that was about a little over a month worth of trading. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 57 trades altogether. We had 49 winning trades and 8 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. If we were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, the total gain would have been $29,400. On the losing side, we had lost $7,200 for an overall gain of $22,200. So significantly better results, but again, still not a bad strategy. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial's over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signal. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs, this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 6 trades altogether. We had 4 winning trades and 2 losing trades, putting it at a 66% win rate, a gain of $600. On the crypto coin, we had 3 trades, 2 winning, 1 losing, again a 66% win rate, and a gain of $300. For the week, we would have been up a total of $900, and for the 22-week total now, we would have been up $38,260 over 187 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the account here. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. Alright, that's it for this video here. We're going to put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.